How to fix connection failed error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device over here. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can just turn off the Wi-Fi and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. Next, what you can simply do is make a long press on the application over here and then tap on app info and then just tap on the clear all data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and here you can either just clear the cache. If it's not possible, then you can just delete all data. So just tap on OK and you'll be able to clear all data. Also make sure that you have toggled on all the required option for app permissions. So tap on the option and give that access. After that, you can just relaunch the application and then your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.